Hello everyone. In this video, I will be explaining the main differences between TikTok, Google, and Meta Ads Manager. Each of these has its own pros, cons, and differing use cases depending on your business's target audience or goals for customer engagement. First, I want to talk about the oldest of these ads managers, the Google Ads Manager. This ads manager was introduced in the year 2000 and has become a staple of online marketing with major platforms such as Google's search engine, Gmail, and YouTube advertisements under its belt. This Ads Manager is used by over 100,000 companies, and Google's vast user base allows for large companies, a large advertising opportunities for your company with banner ads, pop-up ads, and video ads to capture the attention of various consumers. As for cons, the main concern with this Ads Manager is the high cost and keyword competition. The risk of not optimizing keywords can render your campaign useless, especially if you use the wrong keywords and don't target the correct consumer. The second ad manager I want to talk about is the Meta Ads Manager, formerly known as the Facebook Ads Manager. This ads manager was first introduced in 2007, 3 years after the launch of Facebook, which quickly became one of the largest ad managers with the widespread success of Facebook and its subsidiaries. Its largest platforms are Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. Through these platforms, Meta Ads can target a diverse customer base consisting of age groups from 13 to 65 and over. Some cons of this ad manager are the amount of ads presented at once that can fatigue the customer, especially when seeing multiple ads at the same time or multiple of the same ads. Final and most recent ad manager coming to the scene is the TikTok Ad Manager. This ads manager was introduced to the platform 3 years after its release in 2016, making it by far the newest ads manager of the three. However, its recency does not reduce its strength in capturing its specific target market, which consists mainly of teens and young adults. TikTok has shown in its relatively short existence to be one of the best ad managers for businesses that not only wish to target younger audiences, but also aim to create a connection with their audience. This is the main strong suit of TikTok, as its content format on the platform is far more organic and less like a formal advertisement, allowing people to engage more with the message. The main drawback of TikTok advertising is that advertisements on the platform require more involvement and good entertaining video ads that are difficult to produce. Next, I will be creating a how-to video on how to begin making your first ad with a TikTok Ads Manager. Firstly, you're going to want to head over to the TikTok for Business page here, and you're going to want to sign in with your email and then create your business profile. I've already done that, so I've been sent straight into the Google Ads Manager where I can start creating my first campaign. Once you come to this page, you're going to want to choose from 4 different options: lead generation, traffic, product sales, and the one I recommend, and TikTok as well apparently, is the website conversions, as it's best for creating purchases and creating actual purchases on your website. This is especially good for the business that I've created in this demonstration, which is called Sydney Underground, which is a small uh, fashion brand, a street fashion brand. So once you've chosen your option here, you can click continue, and you can change your campaign name to whatever you want. I've made mine Sydney Underground Campaign 1, and you can then click your advertisement optimization goal, and I've chosen clicks for this. This will be the most simple for your advertisement. Once you're done this, you can then add your TikTok account. Uh, this is my personal account that I'm using for this. However, you're going to want to actually use a dedicated business account. Next, once you are done with that, you can add whatever you want, add whatever creative you want. I've added this one here. You can add from your library or whatever you want to. And I've just added this image, and then you can add text below it, such as come buy our product. This can be really whatever you think is going to most engage with your audience. Next, you're going to want to choose your calls to action. Here, you're going to want to choose all that apply, as many as apply to you. If you're, for example, sh- uh, advertising a subscription service, you might want to add subscribe or contact us or apply now or anything like that. But since it's a shopping brand, like just a streetwear brand, we're going to want to do pre-order now in case we have pre-orders open, shop now, visit store, order now. These are the kind of things that you would want on here. Next, you would want to put in your website's URL where they can actually go and purchase things. I don't actually have a website for this demonstration, so I've just put in any old website there. Once you continue through, you can choose one of these packages. If you just want a regular, easy, ready to go package, you can choose the one of these three here. But if you actually want to choose which audience you want to target and actually zero in on your real customer base that you believe will best interact with your message, you're going to want to create your own. Here you can choose a custom budget. You can choose when your advertisements will show up, start and end times, and then you can choose your audience targeting. You can choose from a number of locations, all of these countries here you can choose from, languages, and gender. So you can actually target what consumers you want to do. After that, you can go ahead and click publish, and you can set up your billing information, and that's it. Now your advertisement is up and running. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and recommend this video to your friends. Thank you.